the total resistance R in ohms of two resistances, A ohms and B ohms, connected in parallel is given by the formula 1 over R equals to 1 over A plus 1 over B. A, obtain a formula for B in terms of R and A. B, find B if A equals to 2 over 2 over 3 and R equals to 2 over 1 over 4. Solution. Solution to the first part, A. The first thing is to write out the formula. 1 over R equals to what? 1 over A plus 1 over B. Now, from what we have here, we want to make B the subject of the formula. So the first thing to do is to move 1 over A to the left hand side so that 1 over B will remain here. So 1 over R minus 1 over A. By the time 1 over A moves to the left, it becomes minus. So we have this to be equals to 1 over B. Now, looking at what we have here, we can find the LCM of the denominators in the left-hand side. The LCM of R and A, LCM of R and A is equal to what? Because we have two different letters, we don't even know whether they have a common value because these are variables. So in this case, R and A. So it's going to be R times A, and that is RA. That's the LCM of the denominators. So we write here RA. Now, this RA divided by R, it will remain A. So now we have A times 1. Then minus this same RA divided by this A. A will cancel it to remain R. Then we have R times 1 here equals to 1 over B. Then from here we have what? A times 1, that is what? A minus R times 1. What is that? That is R. Divided by RA. And this is equals to 1 over B. Don't forget, we want to make B the subject because it's the same thing as expressing B in terms of R and A. So from here, the next thing to do is to cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what are we going to have? Cross multiplying, we have what? B into A minus R equals to RA times 1. So what are we going to have? We now have B into A minus R equals to what? RA times 1 is RA. Now we want to make B the subject, don't forget. It means that we need to divide both sides by A minus R. Dividing both sides by A minus R, what do we have? B into bracket A minus R divided by A minus R equals to RA divided by A minus R. So A minus RA1, A minus RA1. So this implies that B equals to RA divided by A minus R. And it's also the same thing as AR divided by A minus R. So that is the solution to the first part of the problem. Now let's solve the second part. Find B if A equals to 2 whole number 2 over 3. So for the B part, we are given A to be equal to 2 over 2 over 3. We need to first convert 2 over 2 over 3 to an improper fraction because this is a mixed number. So we need to convert to an improper fraction. 2 times 3, that is 6. 6 plus 2, that is 8. So we have 8 over 3. Likewise, the value of R. We need to convert 2 over 1 over 4 to an improper fraction. 2 over 1 over 4. So 2 times 4, what do we have? 8. 2 times 4, that is 8. Then 8 plus 1, that is 9. So we have 9 over 4 for R. Now, we want to find the value of B, given A to be equal to 8 over 3 and R equals to 9 over 4. Now, B equals to AR. We are going to use the result of the first part of this solution to solve the second part. AR divided by A minus R. Now, what is A? A is 8 over 3. Then times, what is the value for R? R is what? 9 over 4. So divided by, what are we having here? Divided by 8 over 3 minus 9 over 4. Simplifying, what do we have? Now, 4 here, 1, 4 in 8, 2. Then 3 here, 1, 3 in 9, we have 3. So 2 times 3, what do we have? 6. Divided by, we need to simplify the denominator. And the denominator is a difference of 2 fractions. So in that case, we need to look for the LCM of the denominators. Now, LCM of 3 and 4, that is what? 12. It's just the product because except 1, there's no other factor that is common to them, to 3 and 1. So it means that we can just multiply the denominators to get our LCM, and that is 12. So 12 divided by 3, what are we having? That is 4. 4 times 8, that is 32. Now, minus 12 divided by 4, we have 3. 3 times 9, 27. So in this case, we now have B to be equals to 6 divided by 32 minus 27. That is what? 5. So we have 5 over 12. Now, we can write division line as division symbol. So this is 6 divided by 5 divided by 12. Changing division line to division symbol. Now, converting this division symbol to multiplication, what happened? It means that the denominator, which is 12, will turn to numerator, while the numerator will turn to denominator. So this is 6 times 12 divided by 5. So what is 6 times 12? 6 times 12 is what? 72. So we have 72 divided by 5. Now, how many 5 will you see in 72? That should be 14. Let me multiply out 14 times 5. 14 times 5. 5 times 4, that is what? 20. Then we write 0 and carry 2. So 5 times 1, we have 5. So 5 plus 2, what do we have? 7. So it means that 72 divided by 5 is 14. So we have this to be 14 whole number. Then 14 times 5 is 70. 70, then take away 70 from 72. What will you have? The remainder is 2. So 14 whole number, 2 over 5. Now, in this case, it means that B equals to what? 14 whole number, 2 over 5 ohms. When A equals to 2 over 2 over 3 and R equals to 2 over 1 over 4. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.